Okay, so I'm trying really hard not to show this room because it needs sorting out, but at the same time I really don't want to show it because compared to the rest of my house right now, this is bad, bro. This is bad. But this was our normal though. This mess was our normal. I am going to clean out this. That's all my jewellery. I want to get some new piercings. I've only got the standard one, like the one that everybody kind of has. Just the one piercing in my lobe. I want to get another 3 preferably, but my lobes are really tiny and so are my ears. So I think another 2 on each ear. Just lobe piercings. But all of my earrings and stuff, I love jewellery, like I really do. But I don't wear it that often. And a lot of my jewellery in that thing is really old and from pre-American new looking stuff, and I just don't think, because it's dead cheap and stuff as well, which is fine, I'm all for pre-marked jewellery, but I've had so much of it for like 10 years and I just don't think it's hygienic anymore. I keep getting little like spots on my ears and stuff, so I just don't know if it's because of the jewellery. So honestly I'm probably going to get rid of majority of that stuff because the majority of it is really old and cheap, and I just don't think I think the metal's starting to rust a little bit, which isn't good. I don't want that in my ear because I don't want no ear infections. So I'm going to take all of my jewellery out and put it in the other room and sort through it because I just feel like it's better to get out the space like I did with my makeup and sort through it all and then put it back in once it's all sorted. That's kind of how I like to tidy and how I like to declutter and organise. So we shall do that. Yes. Before I start decluttering the room next door, I am going to quickly tidy and hoover in our bedroom, and then I will get on to the spare bedroom. Oh, I'm out of breath from running upstairs. I love that this is what constitutes as messy for us right now. That was my towel from when I got out of the shower. That was just my towel from when I got out of the shower just now. Ow! So, I'm going to put that away. And hoover a little bit, and then that'll be kind of it. There's not really a lot of mess in here, and I love it. I'm so happy with the lack of mess. I never knew I'd be this happy with lack of mess, but I am. So let's tidy and hoover, and then we'll get on to the decluttering half. Yes. Okay, so I've got everything on my bed, which I don't know if it's a good idea because everything is dusty. So I'm assuming it's not the best idea, and I'm worried that this is going to run out of battery. But I've got my trusty dish. This is not a dish. My trusty bin bags. I don't even know where to start. I've got so many jewellery stands. I've got 1, 2. This one is one of my faves. Hold on. Get off. Get off. It's from Oliver Bonus. Whatever. It's cute. It's gold, white with gold, and it's a little kitty. Adorbs. Okay, so these are earrings that my sister bought me. So I'm going to keep these. Wait, where's it gone? Is it broken? Oh no, it's not broken. Thank fuck. They're really pretty. I think they're really, really nice. Good job. So those are staying. I'll even show you what I had. These are like everything that I have. All the necklaces and jewellery. So, got my bin bag. I'm gonna hook it on to, there we go. Sorted. These are like really old, cheap silver hoops. I feel like these look nice, but I've never worn them. And will I ever wear them? That's the question. What's tangling? This is a bracelet that I love from Lavender. I don't think it's running anymore. I think it closed down. But if you follow Shell, I'll leave her Instagram down below because I've mentioned her. This was her and her brother's, I believe, jewellery business. I loved it. I loved the quality of the items. I loved the prices. This was pure white, but it seems they're discoloured, but I think that's just my fault. But yeah, it was just a really nice nautical style bracelet, which I loved. I used to take it on every holiday. It was a good one. This one is just a cute little simple charm one that I've never seen before. I think this one might have been in a River Island last year. River Island, what's it called? Advent calendar, which by the way was not worth the money, but it's kind of cute. So that is my Paris Eiffel Tower jewellery stand, clean and empty. Not clean, empty. I also have a little rabbit one, which I think is so cute. A little elephant one, like how adorable is that? Then obviously the cat one, which is well cute. And I also have this bird one. Again, adorable. I love it. I have this one, which is covered in necklaces currently. But it's just like a little tree with some birdies on it. Which I am keeping because I got that one for my 21st birthday? 18th birthday? But it's handy because it's the only tall one I got. So, I know I've got a lot of jewellery stands and I'm getting rid of a lot of jewellery, but I love them. They're so cute, they're so nice. I think they're so chic, I don't know. I'm going to keep them because I love them. I want to give them a clean and then come back and I will get rid of some things with you. Okay, so things are clean. I have this necklace, which I never wear. But I've been keeping it in this bag because that's what it came with. I'm pretty sure Greg's mum got me it or something. But I really like it. It's nice. I just need to find an occasion that calls for such a thing. Cute! I don't know how to keep it in the bag though, or put it on the necklace tree. Okay, this is my little Thomas Sabo charm. I love this. I had so many more charms on it, but they keep falling off. And even this itself is now broken, which I'm so gutted about. But I did have so many more, but I've lost so many of them and I'm so gutted. So I got this for my 18th birthday, I want to say, but none of the ones I had from my 18th birthday are still here. My mum bought me a little apple one. I got a little Minnie Mouse one because, you know, big Disney fan. And Greg bought me the Love Heart one when we first started going out. So, well, for one of my birthdays after we started going out. Not like, hi, first date, here's a love heart charm, because that'd be a bit weird. I love this. It does smell a bit like pennies though, so I need to kind of give it a bit of a scrub. It's just a Thomas Sabo charm bracelet. I want to keep continuing to get more. That is a keeper. Do I use Mr. Birdie? Mr. Birdie could be cute. Yeah, so here's more of those hoops that are like old and probably rusting. This is a little ring that I don't remember buying. I feel like it's from Forever 21 years ago. I've had that earring for years as well. I've had that earring for years. Had that one for years, I know that. This one is a recent one because it's a River Island one. I only got it last year. I'm going to keep that for a little bit longer. This ring is really cool. I just don't have the balls to wear it. Like, can you imagine? I don't even know what kind of outfit you'd wear that with. Like, this is another lavender piece from I'm pretty sure it has YouTube as well, I don't really know. But I love this. It's just a silver necklace, pendant necklace, and it's got like a compass on one side, and on the other side some text. I just think it's a really cool necklace. I love this necklace so much. I wear it all the time. So that's me done my jewellery. That's all my studs. The one ring I got, the other ring I got. Literally these are the only 2 rings I have apart from my engagement ring. Like, rings are my jewellery. They're the jewellery I love. But anyway, I've only got 2 it seems. Then I got all my earrings that are not studs. This one is empty. It's not got anything on it. This is a bracelet. A kind of slightly more nicer bracelet. The letters, but I don't think I have the chain for it anymore, so I don't know if there's a point in keeping the letters actually, now that I think about it. A nice little jewellery pop type thing. These are all my necklaces, so I got my like really fancy ones that I never ever wear. And then my more cash, everyday kind of gold and rose gold ones I really love. And that is it. So I think I'm going to leave this video here. Get off the squeaky floor. I do want to do like a bigger declutter of that room, my spare room. But right now I'm going to leave that one, and I'm going to make it in another video because obviously I've done my makeup and all that in this one and my jewellery, and I'll just leave doing the actual room for another one. If you'd like to see like a kitchen declutter and stuff as well, because me and Greg want to do that too, let me know. We are still going to do it either way if we do make a video or not. But yes, let me know. I'm hot and I'm going to go and spend some time with my dog, and Greg should be getting home from work soon, but hopefully he'll be in the next video. See you soon.